What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the video. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur and I make day in the life videos almost every single day except the weekends. And I am trying to hit $30,000 a month. So that is what I do in every video is I go over yesterday's revenue at the end of every single video to show how much money that we made. So today we're gonna be doing customer orders, and then I will be doing a little back end work to show you because I know you guys have been asking, my subscribers have been asking to at least add a couple more things into the video to make it a little bit longer. So I will do my cut files, we'll record that, and then we'll do the customer orders and the shipment, and then we'll go over yesterday's revenue. So let's get started. Thank you all so much for watching. If you are new to the channel, thank you for being here. And for my old subscribers, thank you so much for supporting me every single day. I really, really appreciate it. Let's get going. I also, before we start the video, I wanted to say that these hats are actually selling pretty well. I have them into one store right now and they keep selling out. This is a big seller right now, and the green and white. So if you guys do want to support my business, if you guys do like these hats, coastalcowboygoods.com. It's also in the links in the description if you want to go buy one. So that's it. No more plugs for the video. Let's get started. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I know this is another short video. I am expanding business. Things will get busy again, guys. I promise. Just stick with me. If you haven't seen my other videos, just go back a couple weeks ago. It was super busy. We had a lot going on. But right now, we're in a little, let's go over yesterday's revenue to see how much money we made. And also, I will be in Havasu, Arizona till Monday, so I may not make a video Monday as well. It might be 3 days off. And then I leave for New York from the 5th to the 8th. So just be prepared for like a week. You know, I might have 2 days on, but 3 days off. I'm gonna be traveling to New York City as well. So I will try to make videos there, but I can't promise it. Anyways, let's go over yesterday's revenue to see how much money we made. All right, guys, so starting with eBay, we made $45.14. We made $402.97 on Amazon. So a total revenue yesterday of $448, which I'm pretty happy of. So we've ended up making $13,167 this month. We still have a few more days in the month, but I think we could hit $15,000, which would be great. That means we'd be at the halfway mark again. That's where we were at the very beginning of the year and why I started this 30K journey. So hopefully this winter, guys, we can hit $30,000 a month. So if you're interested in seeing that happen, please subscribe down below. I make a video almost every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. Thank you so much for watching. Please give a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm as well. It helps other people find my channel and helps support me as well. So thank you so much for that. I will see you all, I think, Monday or Tuesday. So have a great weekend. Happy Labor Day, everybody. I will see you guys soon. Peace out.